Are these aluminum pedal covers the secret weapon for your BMW's interior? We're about to find out. This set of car pedals for BMW models like the E72 F15 F16 F85 and F86 promises to elevate both the look and feel of your driving experience. Let's dive into what makes them stand out. First off, the safety feature is a big deal. The textured surface is designed to increase friction, which is crucial for preventing your feet from slipping, especially in wet conditions or during spirited driving. It's that extra layer of confidence, knowing your foot is firmly planted. Beyond safety, the aesthetic upgrade is undeniable. These aren't just functional, they're a style statement. Crafted from high-quality aluminum with a finely textured surface, they bring clean lines and a sleek, sporty look to the footwell, really enhancing the overall interior appeal. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. The instructions mention removing the old covers and simply snapping the new ones into place. It sounds like a quick and easy DIY job, which is always a plus. No complicated tools or professional help needed, just a few minutes to transform your pedals. The company emphasizes ensuring compatibility with your specific BMW model before ordering, which is a smart move. They also offer a customer service team ready to assist with any questions, which is reassuring. It shows they stand behind their product and want to ensure customer satisfaction. Overall, these pedal covers seem like a fantastic way to add a touch of premium sportiness and improve the tactile feel of your BMW's pedals. They blend safety, style, and ease of installation into a compelling package. For BMW owners looking to add a subtle yet impactful upgrade to their interior, these aluminum pedal covers are definitely worth considering. They offer a noticeable improvement in both grip and aesthetics.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.